Mansory has introduced its latest custom project based on the Ferrari F8 Spider, continuing its long tradition of turning high-performance supercars into one-of-a-kind creations. This latest build is called the F8XX Spider and features significant visual and performance upgrades over the factory model. Right away, the exterior grabs attention with a unique blue paint job, accented by white trim and subtle nods to the Italian flag on various design elements. The body is outfitted with forged carbon fiber components, including a bold front splitter, sculpted hood with integrated vents, extended side skirts, and side mirror housings. At the rear, a two-piece wing and an aggressive diffuser complete the aerodynamic transformation. The interior has been reworked with light blue leather upholstery, black contrast stitching, and more carbon fiber. Mansory branding is visible throughout the cabin, from the steering wheel to the seatbacks, headrests, and even the footrest. Performance has also been enhanced. According to Mansory, the F8XX Spider produces 868 horsepower and 708 pound-feet of torque. That is a significant bump over the stock F8 Spider, which delivers 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. The tuned version can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 220 miles per hour. Whether the F8XX Spider is a one-off commission or part of a limited production run is unknown. Pricing has not been disclosed, but based on Mansory's typical work, it is safe to say it will come with a hefty price tag. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this custom Ferrari or stick with the original? And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.